Yo, I'm Nez, and I'm dropping another impromptu review on y'all. And this time, what we're going to be doing a review of is the BAM. This is another item that I got from China, or as Trump would say, China. It's the Slaouwo portable, folding, telescoping, rechargeable, oscillating 4-speed fan. Say that again. Say that 10 times in a row, right? Basically, it's a fan that does all those things. I bought it off. I saw one of those ads on Instagram, and I thought it was pretty cool. My wife, she's always her feet are always hot, so she likes a fan blowing directly on her feet. And sometimes we doze off on her couch because it's a lot cooler downstairs than where our bedrooms are upstairs. So she likes to have a fan directly on her feet. So I got her this. I saw that it was this design here, and I thought it was pretty cool because I had never seen anything like that. That was so portable, and the fact that you recharge it, like if we go on vacation or something like that, she'll always have a portable fan that she can direct directly on her feet. Anyhow, I ordered it back in May 2nd. Here we are, August 5th, and I just got them. So, but meanwhile, while I was waiting for this, I started looking on Amazon, and I started seeing these all over the place now that I knew what I was looking for. So when we finally get to the part where I put the links in the description, I'm going to put links to the ones that I saw on Amazon that are comparable to these. Because I already opened this up and gave it to my wife, because my wife, she couldn't wait to use it. So the unboxing it's only going to be in name because it's already out. I'm just going to show you the box pretty much. And it's pretty cool fan. I have to admit, it's pretty cool. So with that being said, let's get into this. Oh yeah, hold up. Before we get into that, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and then hit that notification bell icon so that way it'll let you know when I put out a new video. And if you like this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up and share it with someone who you think would like something like this. And also by sharing it and liking and sharing the video, you'll be doing a channel a huge favor. And you know me, you're my fam, right? I'll love you for it. So now that's out the way, all that mumbo jumbo's out the way, let's get into this. So this is the front of the box, bong, just like this. Got your artwork right here. This is what she looks like. Got some information right here. Let's shine a light on them so you can see. You can read stuff, right? Okay. Adjustable design, quiet at work. You don't have to frequently charge it. Compact and easy collecting. You know it's from China because their English is all jacked up. Better fan, better summer, office, home, garden, camping, fishing, whenever you need it, it works. Okay. Top of the box, just your handle. Bottom of the box, nada. This side over here, the side view. It shows you that when you open it up, you have to turn the bottom part of it clockwise. And that was a problem that I was going to address, that I thought was going to be a problem. But then once I realized I didn't see that, and I was sitting there like, how is this going to stay up? This is poor design. I thought it would stay up because it kept falling down when I telescoped it. But then I realized you had to turn that to lock it in, and then it'll stay up. So it bends in like that to fold it down. You can turn it 9 degrees, blah, 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 blah. You can read all that stuff. Okay, this is the back of it. You have two colors. You have white and pink. I got the white one. Oh, you have multiple colors. I didn't even see that. You have white, pink, light green, dark green, and looks like black. Man, if I hadn't known that, I'd have got the black one. But whatever. It's not for me. It's for my wife, right? Here goes some specs on this bad boy. You can pause it and read it. Made in China. As you see down there. All right, so like I said, the boxing is just a name only. Unboxing is just a name only. Only thing that's in this box is the fan itself, and the instruction manual, which is all in Chinese. You're not really reading it, and USB cord. That's about I'm a little over a meter, so maybe like 3.5 feet, maybe 4 feet. That's my only complaint I would say about this. Now that I've used it, is that they should include a longer USB cord, so you can really get some use out of it. Like in my instance, like when we use it down in the living room, I'm gonna have to run a little extension cord to the plug, just to bring the power out so I can plug in the USB to reach, to plug in the power cord into a power brick. Oh, yeah, that's another problem that I have with this. They didn't include a power brick. But, I mean, from what they say, it takes 5 volts, 1 amp. So that's your standard cell phone power brick. So everyone owns a cell phone. So you just have to, charge up your fan. And then your fan is these are supposed to last, what they say is supposed to last like 10 or 12 hours. Yeah, it's 4 hours on high and 12 hours on like a low to medium speed. So you can at least get a full night's usage out of it and then just charge it when you're at work or whatever the case may be. So let me just bring this fan over here. I already have it extended. Let me bring it back down so you can actually see it. Okay, so this is what she looks like. All compact, like bang, snaps into place pretty good. That's the side of it. You got your little handle up here, which I like this design better than I got 2 of these. I got a different one, and the other one, the design on that is pretty. It doesn't come with a handle, so that's more like the other one that I have, which I'll link to that in the description or at the end of this video. That one's more if like you have a nice fan, you just set it some places around the house, right? This is more like when you go on vacation, you bring this bad boy with you. It's got the handle and everything on it. There goes your USB, and it's USB-C. So most phones out now have USB-C, so this can use your same phone charger. So you just go ahead and do whatever you have your phone plugged in, just plug this bad boy up and charge it up. There goes the base of it. It has rubber feet on there for traction, and this is what also oscillates. So the whole fan oscillates, spins on this little track there. So let's open her up. Oh, and that's the front of it, just so you can see the front of it right quick, and where you plug it in also. Okay, so you just pull it open. And when you pull it open, it opens up like that. And then what you do is you flip it around like that. Bang. You see how, I don't know if you saw that, like it already started to fall down. That's the problem that I was having. I was like, how is this staying up? And then when I opened it up all the way, I was sitting there like, how is this going to stay up? But then if you see right here, this base right here, you have to like, let me see if you can like see that little lip down there. There's a little lip right here. Bang. You have to turn that, and that goes to the back, and it locks your fan, so now it doesn't move forward. See, when you turn it back this way, it'll fall forward. Gravity will just bring your fan down. But when you pull it back like that, locks it in place, it's not going anywhere. And the base has a little bit of weight to it, so it should be fine. I mean, obviously you want to go bumping into it because you will knock it over. Go the wrong way. Say, down here you have all your buttons. You have your 3 different levels, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then oscillation. The 5th is oscillation, and I forgot what that button's for. All right, let's just go through them. Level 1, fans on low. Level 2, level 3, level 4, and that's your natural wind. That's the level 4 is to simulate like a natural wind. So what's going to do is going to speed up and slow down, and that's a problem that I was having with the last fan. Is that I would think that natural wind setting should be more random. It should speed up a little bit, slow down a little bit, then go to medium, maybe slow down again, maybe go to medium, then maybe go to high. It shouldn't just speed up and slow down, speed up and slow down. It's not natural when you expect it, you know what I'm saying? But then when you press the button again, then it turns it off. Now, this button, see, now it's turning off. So you have 3 speeds, low, medium, high. 4 is oscillation, 5 is off. You see the LEDs down there. that's lit up to show you how charged it is. Let's see if you can see that. You can really see that it's lit up. See when I turn it on? Those are the levels. Okay, and then this button right here is the oscillation function, but you have to have it on. So I'm gonna turn it on real quick. And now we're gonna hit the oscillation button. So now it's oscillating. And I think that's cool as hell that it oscillates. Look at that. I just think it's cool that the whole thing turns, because normally on when you buy a fan, just the head oscillates. But I like how the whole base does. That's dope. And it's on low. Obviously, when you increase the speed. I just want to show you real quick. Now the LED's lit up. Now that it's on, so you can actually see. You see, that's how you can tell how charged it is. It looks like it's 75% charged because it's on the third LED. Now I hit the button again, oscillation goes off. And that green light up just lets you know that it's in oscillation mode. Now I'm gonna turn speed up. Now I'm on level 2. It's gonna go a little faster. Level 3, it's gonna go the fastest. Let me see what it does when I put on the wind simulation. Okay. This is when it really simulates natural wind. When you have the oscillation on and it's speeding up and slowing down, because then the oscillation looks like it's going with the speed of the fan. So when the fan goes back up to high, the oscillation turns faster. And when this fan slows down, then the oscillation slows down also. That's when I think it simulates natural wind more. So that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. So let's get this down on the ground so you can see how tall she is. Catch you on the flip. Okay, we back in. It's how tall she is. It's 40 inches tall. Computer. How tall is 40 inches in millimeters? 40 inches is 1,016 millimeters. So 1,016 millimeters tall, which is 40 inches. So that's what we're working with there. So you can get a good look at it. Let's turn her on so you can see it oscillate. I want you to see it oscillating while it's tall. I think it's pretty cool. See the base? How the base is turning? That's so cool. Yeah, so I highly recommend this to anybody, man. Anybody who could use a fan that folds down, it telescopes, it oscillates. You can recharge this bad boy, so you can take it with you out to the park, to the beach, you know, on vacation, wherever. You know, if you can use something like this, please click on the link down in the description. Like I said, it won't be to this exact one unless I can find it. But it's definitely gonna be from Amazon, because I don't want you to have to wait 3 months like I did for this. So I'm gonna find the closest one, if not the same one, on Amazon, and I'm gonna share that link for you guys. So you guys can get it fast, and then you guys can experience what I'm experiencing, because this is mad cool. So hit me up in the comments down below. Let me know what you think about this. Let me know if you could use this, how you would use it, where you would take it, if you go on vacation or whatever. You know, peeps, let's talk. You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, I'm Nez, and this is been the official review of the Slaouwo. That's spelled Slaouwo. Sierra Lima Alpha Oscar Uniform Whiskey Oscar. Yeah, definitely cop that. Links will be down in the description for something close to this. And I'm out this piece.